Paano ba gamitin at i-install ang Zoom using only your phone? Start your meetings like a pro in less than 2 minutes. So, simulan na natin. On your phone, i-click lang ang App Store if you're using iPhone or Play Store naman sa Android. Then type Zoom on search bar, i-click at i-download ito. Hintayin ma-download ang app. After ma-download, you will first see this. So, may join a meeting box and meron ding sign up and sign in option. And in this example, you are just invited by someone, so all you have to do is click mo lang ang join meeting box. You can also sign up or sign in which I will discuss on another video. So I will just put a link above or siguro ilalagay ko na lang sa description section ng video ito. Anyway, going back, after clicking, ito na yung next step. You have to input the meeting ID. So tip lang po, itong meeting ID ay ibibigay sa person na nag-invite sa'yo. For example, nag-email siya or sinend niya sa messenger or anything, you just have to copy and paste it. Another tip, before you click join, be sure to set these options according to your preference. Kung gusto mong hindi ka muna makikita at maririnig upon entering the chat room, then i-disable mo lang po. Tapos, the same din sa section na ito. You can choose join video or without video. You just have to wait sa confirmation ng nag-invite sa inyo. After ng confirmation niya, congrats and you are in sa Zoom chat room po. That's it for today's video. By the way, madali lang bang gamitin ang Zoom? Share your thoughts in the comment section below and I would be happy to read them. Sa tingin mo that this content has helped you in any way, then hit that like button and share this video. At kung first time mo namang ma-visit ang aming channel, then be sure to click that subscribe button para ma-notify ka whenever we post new videos. Thanks for watching!